It's so fucking cold. Heyo. Yes, beach. It's New York Day. Beach. We were meant to get up at, our flight's at 6, so we had to get here for like 3. So we had to get up at like 1, and then we woke up at like 2:10. We were like, shit. But we're here, we're eating, we're living. This is a vegetarian breakfast, and you've got salmon and eggs, right? Am I right?
You are.
I am. I know I am.
We're in spoons.
Yeah, we're in the spoon. LeBron's. Yeah, it's actually quite a good one. So I'm gonna keep on eating and see you later. Bye. Share Lord performance. Oh my god, where are they now? Internet famous meme stars.
Do you reckon they'll be on there?
Disgusting.
Why do none of you know how to flush the toilet after you've taken a shit?
What was on me?
It was fucking one of yours. Disgusting.
I want to be baked.
Strut your stuff.
It's like 4:30 in the morning. Yeah.
I was contemplating getting a drink in spoons. I was gonna get a drink in spoons while you went to the toilet.
What, alcohol drink?
Yeah.
It's like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but we're on holiday.
Jeez. Listen to when you say nothing at all.
I didn't know planes were this big. Look, New York! Yay! Oh my god, there she is. Hey, we're in the cab and we're going over this bridge. What bridge is that? Will it ever stop? I don't know. And then New York's over there. Can't really see much because there's a thing in the way. But how exciting! Yay, Times Square! We've actually been here about 20 times, but we kept walking past and I haven't filmed anything yet. So this is Times Square. We're heading back now. It's like 9 o'clock and we've been up for about 60 years, so we're going home. It's also raining and it's cold. So we're heading home. I'm gonna fucking sleep and I'm gonna have some Chick-fil-A in the morning. I don't eat meat, but I'm making an exception. Just this once. Like, I'm just gonna see how I feel when I get there. Bye! So it's day 2 today, and today we're gonna go to the meatpacking district and go along the High Line, and then I think we're gonna go and get Cheesecake Factory. So that's super exciting, and I'll probably vlog when we're at the High Line, if I remember. So yeah, see you then. Hey, like a beer garden.
Oh cute. Okay, doesn't look so cute. So I forgot to vlog on the High Line, but we're here now. We're in the meatpacking district. Oh yeah, here it is. Us on the High Line. So yeah, enjoy that. We're at this meatpacking district now.
So, I'm not gonna get any meat though. You know, my veggie sisters out there. I accidentally ate some Chick-fil-A this morning. I'm not proud of it. That looks so cute. 4 p.m.
Oh, it's nowhere near 4 p.m.
It's like 10 a.m. I'm not gonna lie, I've needed a wee for about 60 hours. Oh, that's so cute. Surely we can go in there. Look how pretty it is. Oh, let's go. There's so many Christmas trees. Christmas. Yeah, let's get a drink here. Look how cute it is. We made it to Grand Central Station. Look how pretty it is. It is very Christmassy. They've got all the Christmas decks up. Love it. Next. Ew. I feel like the only time I'm ever vlogging is in the hotel, but I'm just so, it's just so busy. And I can't really get my camera out because the streets are so busy, aren't they?
Yeah.
And there's ruffians and thugs everywhere. No, I'm joking, there's not, I'm just a pussy, so. Can you fucking not? I'm vlogging. We're going to see Anastasia tonight, which is exciting because it's Luke's like favourite childhood.
I'm going to start saying favourite.
I'm going. No, I'm joking. I'm excited. Yeah, so we're going to see Anastasia, and then we might go to a bar after if we can hack it.
If you can hack it.
Look. I just can't sleep, so I woke up at like 5 this morning and I couldn't sleep after, and so like Luke could sleep. Luke can just sleep. I'm rambling. I don't know what I'm talking about. I think I'm delirious. I'm so tired.
No one to talk to about me apart from me.
Yeah, I can't like rant about Luke. But yeah, no. So I'm like super tired, but I'm gonna push through.
No, you won't.
Yeah. I'll show you my outfit in a minute. Oh, but we did think it was going to be like a long, like a trek to the theatre, but it's a 5-minute walk, which is fab. Look how cute that puppy is! Oh. Anastasia was so good. Anything to add?
Pretty good.
Pretty accurate to the film.
Did start falling asleep.
Yeah, we both like, well actually no, I didn't.
I think
I looked over and caught Luke like this. I had to nudge him awake. Just because, not because it was boring or anything, just because we're so ruddy jet lagged. But at the end, they got their granddaughter back. Hello, so it's day 3, it's Sunday, and we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory now because we was meant to go the other day but we didn't make it. It's like really miserable today, like it's raining. It's actually not raining right now, but it's like cloudy and overcast, so we're wearing our big coats, our waterproofs today. We look funny. So yeah. I'll film when I'm at Cheesecake Factory, and then we're going on the, we're going to Ground Zero, and we're going to Staten Island Ferry to see the Statue of Liberty. See you there, pet. We stopped at Macy's! It's so cool in here, it's so Christmassy. And there's like all the shops, you know. We came to the Cheesecake Factory, and look at all this yummy food.
We didn't get cheesecake
yet. We're getting cheesecake soon. Southwest chicken sandwich, sweet potatoes. These are avocado egg rolls. These are cheeseburger egg rolls, and this is mac and cheese balls. And I got a passion fruit mojito. And what did you get? Oh, it's all good. What's it? It's like a peach, a sweet peach. So I just had these. I had them in LA when we were there. They're mac and cheese balls. And it's honestly, I think, the best thing I've ever eaten in my life. So, yeah. How is it? Around your mouth. Lol. Got it. Yeah, Luke thinks he's slick, but he gets meat dishes knowing that I can't eat meat. So that he can have some of mine, but I can't have any of his. I know your tricks. So, in this picture, can you see it? In that picture, my neck is the same length as my head. So, I'm going to put it to the test. Are my neck and head the same length? Oh my god, yes they are. They're the same length. I know it. I'm a gymmer. Anyway, catch you later. So this is Cinnabon. Should I try some? I didn't want a whole one. I look like a unicorn. So this is the moment I've been waiting for this whole trip. I'm super excited to show you all. I hope you enjoy it too as much as we are right now.
Such a beautiful view.
So beautiful. Here we go, guys. Buckle your seatbelts. Wow. There she is. Yes, beach. Can you actually go into her crown, or is that just in a film?
That was an X-Men.
No, it was in like George of the Jungle, I think. Well, maybe you can then.
It's one of the wonders of the world.
She's all lit up now. It's pretty cool. Bye. We've come to meet Santa at Macy's. Luke's so unimpressed. He doesn't want to be here at all. Hi buddy, hope you find your dad. We're about to go.
Frankie just told the elves that I've been naughty this year.
He's just not into it and I'm just not loving it. Coming to this rooftop bar seems very cute. Hey. So this is such a cute place. Look at the ceiling. Luke just got this butter's drink. It was horrible. I'll insert video here. Look how beautiful this place is. Love it. We fit everything in our suitcases. Woo!
Welcome to Top of the Rock.
We're at the top of the rock! Look, it's me in the view. Okay, you should go in the way. You should go in the way.
I am the view.
So pretty. Ah! Where did you go? Oh, yeah, Laura.
Oh yeah.
Big team. All of the lights. It's so fucking cold. I'm like, oh. Yeah, and that keeps happening. I literally can't see. So yeah, we're at the top of the rock. It's a great time. Can't wait to go back down. It's super cold, but very pretty. Okie doke. This isn't gonna work.
Do you not want to take in the ambiance?
The ambiance. Nah.